the correct option? What is MS Word mainly used for? Which tab do you use to change the font in MS Word? What is the shortcut for bold in MS Word? Fill in the blank. The shortcut for saving a document is dash. You can change the font style from the dash tab. To insert a shape, click on the dash tab. True and false. MS Word is mainly used for writing and editing documents. You can change text color from the Insert tab. The shortcut for bold is Ctrl B. Bullet points help organize lists.